Hi, today we'll learn how to blur video in Kdenlive. So for example, I have here this one video. If I want to blur it, I need to drag and drop this video to the timeline, and after that I need to go to Effects tab, and here on search field we need to type something like blur. And how you see, we have found here average blur. We need to drag and drop this one effect to our video. And when you will select your video here, you will be able to find here average blur settings. I recommend you to click on use effect zone option. After that you will see here X and Y size of the blur. So for example, I will increase X size, and how you see the effect you can see here. So maybe I will decrease this value to this one. And of course you can increase Y size if you want, for example, to this one. So in this way you can blur video in Kdenlive. But if you want to blur only the elements of the video, you need to use another effect here. I will delete this effect, and then I will type here another effect name. This name is obscure. After that we need to drag and drop this effect to our video. And here we'll find the box, which you can edit. You can resize this box, yeah, and you can move this box to the area which you want to blur. For example, if I want to blur this area, I need to resize this to these dimensions, and how you see, it is blurred now, yeah. So it is how it works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's solved your problem.